Coalition, the Quality Brands Committee are looking at counterfeiting, and they're trying to be diligent on that, and they're trying to use the laws and regulations to enforce it to the fullest extent of the law. But I think you have to look at it in a number of different lights. The anti-unfair competition, which is what Professor Lee spoke about, through the courts and the judicial system, where you plead in the alternative. You say, this was unfair, and this is not the way to compete because you're using a mark or regulation. And another way is to go through the trademark office and to get a mark revoked that might be infringing on yours, or re-examine, or cancel a mark that may be infringing on yours that someone is not using. And then the other way is, again, to keep vigilant in the market and say, hey, we'll actually put people in jail that use this to try to get economic gain. And so I think that actually the criminal side of it, there's a big lobby in pharmaceutical counterfeiting and in other kinds of markets and other kinds of areas of expertise where they're saying that criminal law should be enforced even better to protect the people. So I think it's a good thing.
But in this current trademark law, are there special provisions protecting famous trademarks?
Yeah, actually there is no provision.
No provision at all?
Yeah, but it will be stipulated clearly in the new law. Actually now the provision for the well-known trademark is in the implementing regulation. This time they will put it into the law.
I think it's interesting also these well-known marks that Professor Lee spoke of, 196 marks he talked about before. All of those, just so our viewers know, are all Chinese marks. So China has identified world-famous marks or well-known marks